Every traveler carries a story of their own. Some work hard for their children, some for their parents, and others for the future of their families. That is why even the toughest circumstances cannot stop them from moving forward. In this world, there are people who help others without expecting anything in return. They seek neither fame nor praise, only the comfort of knowing they made someone's life a little better.
We need to proceed.
He began the construction to create something better for everyone. If your actions help even a single person, imagine the blessings and rewards God may have in store for you.